Hi guys, welcome back again. This is BMW 520D M Sport rough idle problem, and as you can see clearly, the idle is actually jumping up and down, and there's another symptoms with the car. It cuts off sometime at the light or at the traffic light. It cuts off and then it doesn't start. I have to take the key out and put it back in and restart again. So when I do that, it starts and drives fine. But as you can see, the idle is like going up and down, and the whole car shakes. So I'm not sure if it's an air leak. And what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna have a look and see what causes this rough idle and try to fix that and share with you guys and let you know how did I fix it. And as you can see here, there is nothing coming up to suggest that something is wrong with the car. There's no dashboard messages or at all, no fault. The only thing is I can see is just a rough idle, and it's jumping up and down. And I'm gonna mention again, it cuts off sometime at the lights. I'm gonna show you the engine as well now. Second. Oops. I'm not sure if you guys watched my last video. I had a problem with the reduced power. I changed the throttle body. So since I changed the throttle body, the reduced power, it's gone, so it's fine now, and the car has full power. And I fixed that by changing the throttle body. Have a look at my other videos and see that if any of them is useful for you and can help you fix your own car at home. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna try to see if I can find out the problem, and then I will keep you guys updated. Thank you very much.